Alright, here's a problem, and we want to know what is the domain of this function. So think of the domain as what x values are you not allowed to plug into the function. And think of what x values are you not allowed to plug into the function as what x values break math. And think about what x values break math as what are the weird things we're not allowed to do in the discipline of mathematics. Well, we are not allowed to divide by 0, and we are not allowed to take the square root of a negative number. And what I mean by that is we're not allowed to divide by 0 and get a real number. We're not allowed to take the square root of a negative number and get a real number. So we must exclude these from our domain. So if we were stating the domain in set builder notation, I would say that, yeah, we're still going to take our x values from the set of real numbers, but since we are talking about the set of real numbers, we must exclude the x value of positive 2. And we must also exclude the x value of negative 4. So x cannot equal those values, because if I took negative 4 and plugged it into that factor, I'd get 0. So I'd get a 0 on the bottom, and we would cry. And if I plugged in 2 to that factor, I'd get 0, and again, tears would fall. And so x cannot equal 2, x cannot equal 4, and we can state it in set builder notation just like that. If we wanted to do interval notation, we would have to say that x is in the interval from negative infinity up to that first lowest value we're not allowed to choose, which is negative 4. We have to have a parenthesis because we cannot include it. Union that with the set starting at that negative 4, but still not including it, that's what the parenthesis means, up to the next value that we cannot include, which is 2, parenthesis, union, parenthesis, 2, comma, infinity, parenthesis. Boom. There you have it. Quiet whisper.